Once an object is labeled, you can add a leader to the label. In this drawing are some spot elevations. A label will automatically create a leader when it is placed in a dragged state. To place the label in a drag state, select the label. Instead of selecting the diamond grip at the insertion point, a square grip appears above the diamond grip for the label. Click and drag the square grip to a new location, and the leader is added. Select the leader, and an additional plus grip appears. You can click the cyan square grip to move it around again, or you can select the cyan diamond grip at the end of the vertex and drag the leader away from the label. Click the minus sign above the diamond grip, and it snaps back. You can also click the blue plus at the midpoint of the leader to add a vertex, and they can be removed as well, again with the minus sign. When you hover your cursor directly over the blue square drag grip, you will notice that the drop-down menu appears, which gives you several options, one of which is to reset the label. Selecting this option snaps it back to its original location. There is also a rotate option to rotate the label about the marker without rotating the marker. Now, if you cannot select an option because the menu does not stay open long enough, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to choose an option, or you can type the first letter of the option you want on the command line. For example, hover the cursor over the square grip by the spot elevation, and the menu appears. Type R on the command line, and the first item on the menu that starts with the letter R is highlighted. To select it, press Enter. Keep pressing the R key, and the menu sorts through the rest of the options that begin with R. Civil 3D gives you an easy way to add a leader to a label by placing it in a drag state.